So last night somebody submitted Fittest Roofer competition video, and they used bundle of shingle made by GF called Natural Shadow. Natural Shadow is a Home Depot line, so we're gonna go to Home Depot really quick. We're gonna pick it up, bring it to the office and weight it. As far as I know, Natural Shadow always been the lightest GF product, so we have no problem with the GF Timberline HDs or Ultra HDs, but Natural Shadow is a lighter product. It's knowingly lighter, but I don't want to argue about it. I just want to put it in a weight, and maybe it did change. Maybe it's a 70-pound bundle. If it's anything less than like 69 pounds, then we're gonna disqualify the video. And I'm pretty much gonna show you guys and explain what brands are known to be 70-pounders, and Natural Shadow, if it's the one, you know, we'll let you guys have it as well. So here we're at Home Depot. Let's go pick up a bundle. Alright guys, quick announcement. So as you guys been submitting Fittest Roofer videos recently, I've noticed that some of you guys went to the Home Depot and started buying Natural Shadows. I see some other shingles. One of the guys tagged us yesterday that he tried to do it and he picked OC product that was 4 bundles per square, not 3. Those bundles are lighter. So here's what we decided to do. We decided to weight them all for public announcement, and we decided to extend the competition date. So you have 5 more days to complete it. Deadline went from November 10th to November 15th. Here's the reason why. Most of you guys have tried it with OC duration. Here's what I have to say about duration. Duration are a great product, but they're a little bit inconsistent. So I actually weighted like 5 different bundles and none of them are 70 pounds. So this one here, 68.5. Okay, we want to be fair to all of you guys, because if somebody's using bundle that it's not even 70 pounds and somebody using bundle that it's more. This is Natural Shadow we just picked from Home Depot this morning. This one is 68 pounds, so technically it's missing 2 pounds. 2 things what we can do about it. Number 1, if you have to have Timberline Natural Shadow, maybe you're not, it's not available in your market, I'm okay with you using it, but you have to add 5 seconds for each missing pound. So if you want to use Timberline Natural Shadow, you have to add 10 seconds. So your challenge is going to be not 2 minutes, but 2 minutes and 10 seconds. If you want to use OC duration, which is like 69 pounds, or I mean pretty much 5 seconds or 10 seconds. If you want to use either duration or Natural Shadow and be safe, make sure you clear 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Another one too, for those guys who even use heavier shingles, I want to make sure that it's complete 2 minutes. We see submissions and it's like 158, 159, like last second. I mean, you want to make sure you clear, because we have a video, we can go, you know, back to back, we can rewatch it, we can see what you're actually doing. Another one too, as far as camera work goes, make sure a camera is pointing on you at all times. We see some submissions where a camera guy just goes in here for 5-10 seconds. We don't know what competitor is doing. He might be re-gripping or touching or, you know, fixing something. So for us to judge, we have to see, you know, roofing athlete at all times, and we have to see at least 2 minutes, even if shingle is heavy enough. Now, one product I have here as a recommendation that's completely disqualified is a Tamko Heritage. So Tamko Heritage is 60 pounds, so you can't use that. If I would add seconds, you would have to hold it for like 3 minutes. Obviously we're not gonna do that. So what shingles we do recommend? So any Atlas product, you can use Atlas, gonna be 70 plus, 72, 73 pounds. We have a couple ICO products here. So ICO Dynasty is always gonna be 70 plus. So this one is, it's a beast. I don't want to hold that one. 76 pounds. I mean, it's almost, it's like 8 pounds heavier than other one. Then this one here, Nordic, another ICO product. This one is 73 pounds. So you can use ICO, you can use certain teeth shingles, you can use Atlas products. Those three brands are known to be 70 plus. Again, I have no problem with you using GF Timberline Natural Shadows. You just have to add 10 seconds. If you use GF Timberline HDs, those are okay. Actually, I do have GF. Do I have it? Never mind. I mean, we weighted them last few days. We know Timberline HD always 70 pounds, so you can guys use those. But if you're planning to redo it with the OC duration or natural shadows, make sure you add 10 seconds. Otherwise, you're not gonna qualify. So 5 more days. November 15 is a new day. Make sure you extend it at full time. Make sure it's 2 minutes and 10 seconds for those two, or 2 minutes, and then make sure your camera guy always pointing at you. And I'm gonna redo it right now. I'll use ICO Nordic just to be safe. Not sure if I'll make it even to 2 minutes. Up. So you have to be in full frame at all times, have to be fully extended, and you can't suck at it. Another advice I want to give you, stay away from your kitchen. I don't know what's up with the roofers going to their kitchens and destroying their cabinets and drywall. This sucker gets heavier every second, so you will drop it essentially. And I don't want you to damage anything around you. So go to the warehouse, go to lumberyard job site. I hate you, ICO. You're freaking way too heavy. So make sure it's exactly 2 minutes. If it's 1:59 and shingle drops on the ground, no rep. So you have until November 15 now. I'm giving you extra 5 days. If you're using OC duration, if you're using GF Natural Shadow or any other shingle that is knowingly less than 70 pounds, I don't care if it's 1 pound lighter, if it's not 70 pounds, can't use it, you have to add 10 seconds to your challenge. This one is 73 pounds. Tamko Heritage is only 60 pounds. Can't use those. Any shingle like Oak Ridge or any other product that has 4 bundles per square gonna be lighter than 70 pounds like your Malarkey products. They're heavy per square, but they're packaged in 4 bundles per square, not 3. Come on. So if you want to guarantee a result, you have to go with a guarantee weight, you have to use certain teeth. ICO or Atlas, those 3 are the heaviest. I'm at 2 minutes now. I'm gonna try a little bit longer. So make sure you clear the 2 minutes. So it looks like I'm at 2:10. I'm done. The deadline is November 15. Send me a video. Oh, look at this. You see how this smoke? That's what you get.